I became aware of MOC at the Teachers Convention in 2019. I was introduced to them from a dear friend, Carmen. Since then, I joined their Facebook page and I began to follow them. The MOC, they share information with the members. Since I became aware, I became informed with a wealth of information. It makes us feel inclusive. Before, I was hesitant to attend some of the conferences and workshops that they had, but now it's like encouraged, and I know MOC members are going to be there, so it's exciting to start attending the event. I recently became a Hudson County influencer for MOC. I'm at the beginning stages of organizing events. We're going to have a future event for Hudson County members coming up. I'm most looking forward to being involved and sharing the same likes with other members that are like me. It's exciting. I'm excited to be here. This was fun at the convention 2021. It was awesome to see all the members and being at the table. It was quite exciting, and I'm happy and look forward to what MOC has in the future.